Welcome back students. Today we are taking auto layout on the next level. In last video we stretched a button. Now brace yourself because we are diving into the grouping lots of items together and stretching that whole big group. It is like a combining the smart selection feature we learned earlier with some fancy auto layout magic. So without further ado, let's explore auto layout and spacing. So first thing first, I will type some random words over here. So let me choose some random words like home. Let me copy this one. AI, Control D, news, blocks, and let's type BY. Okay, so let me arrange it. Okay, now let's select all of them and bottom. Okay, so we have this kind of navigation button, and let's say you designed your navigation button on your website like this, like horizontally, but your clients want it should be like horizontal, like this one. We have navigation bar on left hand side and it is vertical. So let's say your client want that. So in this case, whatever you can do is that you can arrange it manually one by one. But there is another feature from auto layout. Like let's say if we select all of them and we create into auto layout, and if I go to auto layout, you can see there is one option called vertical layout. And if I click on this, as you can see, we are able to do that thing within a second, like within a one click. And we get all the features, like I can align it over here like this. And I can add padding to it. I can add vertical padding, horizontal padding, as well as I can constrain it like this. I can adjust it into center, as well as I can use smart selection like this. I can change the text like this. I can swap the places of them. Okay, so this is feature we get with auto layout. And we already saw we can add filter. So let me add a fill. Like let me add a new color. Let's go with this one. Now let's say I have one text like this, random text. Let's say I have bunch of them. Just like this. I will type some gibberish words. Okay, so let me align it. Okay, align, and let's create into auto layout. And let's say I want to copy all the properties of this auto layout into this, and I can just copy this section, navigation bar, which is already auto layout, and copy paste as, go to copy properties and select this auto layout, same, paste your properties. And as you can see, we added all the features of this into this. And if we want to add some paddings like left padding, you can add left padding, top padding. This one is right padding, as well as this one is bottom padding like this. And it is hiding over here. You can add a vertical gap like this in between them. Okay, so these are some bit advanced features of auto layout. There is one more thing. Let's say our blocks get out of our this auto layout, and you can just bring it like this, and we can put it away. There is a line. I think I have to change the color. So if I change the color and if I drag it outside, and if I drag it inside, as you can see, there is a blue line appears, and we can paste it over here like this. And let's say you messed up and you put it somewhere over here, like out of frame. Currently it is out of frame, and this one is our frame 23. We can just bring it like this, and it is inside our auto layout. And as you can see, for auto layout, the icon is different. Like for frames, it's like the squarish box, and for auto layout, we have 3 bars that has rounded edges. And there is another thing I forgot to mention. I think I am forgetting a lot nowadays. Okay, so there is one thing, like let's say you want to copy this item and paste it into this. So you can like do the simple thing, like even press Ctrl D. So for that, the trick is simple, but the people always get confused. Like let's say we have to select, and there's the people get confused. Like let's say we have to go into first auto layout. After that, we have to go into text. I double click. After that, I have to press Ctrl D. Then I can make a bunch of copy of that text like this. And if I have to edit, first select the auto layout. After that, text, double click, and again double click to edit our text like this. So as we can see, auto layouts are really awesome. So these are some advanced features of auto layouts. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.